Hey you need to know how to work with Linux terminal. Whether you like it or not, you're gonna run into it. And if you want a job in IT, you need to be ready. I'm Simsin, and these are absolute basics of Linux terminal. Today I'm on Mint. It's a beginner-friendly Debian-based distro. And first, we need to talk about what this is. This is a shell prompt, and we can see what it does with 3 simple commands. First is our username. We can see that by asking, who am I? Second is our hostname, and third is our current working directory, but here it gets shortened to a squiggly line because we are in our home directory. To see where we are at, we can use pwd, which stands for print working directory. Our terminal can get easily cluttered. We can clear it with either clear or with Ctrl-L. To list the contents of the directory we are in, we can use ls, but that's not all. Some directories contain hidden folders and files that we can see with -a flag. To move around, we use cd, which stands for change directory. To go back to the parent directory, we can use cd ... To move forward into one, we can use cd and the name of the directory. And to get back to home, we can use the squiggly line from before. To make a directory, we type mkdir and the name. We will name it test and cd into it. To create a file, we will use touch and we will name it test.txt. To write in it, we can redirect the output from the echo command. And to see its contents, we can use cat. There is a better way to edit files. We can use Nano, which is a terminal-based text editor. To save our changes, we can use Ctrl-O, and to exit we'll press Ctrl-X. To remove a file, we use the rm command. And to remove a directory, we use rmdir. Sometimes when you do something, you'll get a permission denied error. You can bypass that by using sudo, which stands for superuserdo. But you need to be careful, because with full permissions, you can seriously break your system. Right now you're seeing a hash for my password that I use for this VM, and that's sensitive information that should not be normally displayed. We will need sudo to install applications, binaries and libraries that we want to use. We will do that by using apt or advanced package tool, followed by install and the name of the thing that we want to install. We can execute the install program by typing its name. And we can stop it by clicking Ctrl-C. To get info about a command, you can use either -h or --help flag. Or you could see a man page using a man command, which is generally much more comprehensive. And just like that, you know the basics of Linux terminal.